Hey guys, today we're going to be making healthy homemade turkey Philly cheesesteak meatballs. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. I use 93% lean ground turkey just to reduce the amount of fat. First, start by chopping up all of the vegetables you'll need. This includes the banana peppers. In this recipe, I used the mild banana pepper rings, but I've also tried the hot ones, which also are super delicious and amazing and add a very bold flavor. Then you chop up your bell pepper. You can use a green bell pepper, red bell pepper. I just so happen to have an orange one. And then of course add your chopped onion along with all of the other ingredients. Mix it by hand or with a spoon. I prefer to get my hands dirty and mix it by hand. I also forgot the mozzarella cheese, so I'm going to add that. When it's all done, it should look like this. Then line a baking sheet with some aluminum foil and spray it with some nonstick spray. I used olive oil. And start forming your meatballs. When you're done, you should have about 32 meatballs, so I ended up using 2 baking sheets for this. Then pop it in your preheated 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy. It's super healthy, lower in saturated fat and cholesterol than traditional Philly cheesesteak. Enjoy.